Ever felt stuck in the experience paradox? You need experience to get a job, but you need a job to gain experience. This video will unravel how an internship CV can bridge this gap. Crafting an internship CV is challenging. It requires showcasing potential over experience. Let's explore why this is a common hurdle for many aspiring professionals. Every internship CV must have essential sections: personal details, education, skills, and experience. Tailoring these to the job description is crucial for standing out. An ATS-friendly CV is key. Use keywords from the job description and ensure your format is clean and scannable. This increases your chances of getting noticed. To stand out, your personal profile should be concise yet impactful. Use strong adjectives and focus on your unique strengths and aspirations. Differentiate between hard, soft, and transferable skills. Even with limited work experience, showcasing these skills effectively can make a significant impact. Volunteer work and side projects are invaluable. They demonstrate initiative and can fill gaps in your CV, showcasing your dedication and versatility. Leverage your education by listing relevant courses, projects, and achievements. This can make your CV shine, especially if work experience is limited. Proofreading is crucial. Avoid outdated information and customize your CV for each application. These small steps can make a big difference. Avoid common mistakes like overloading your CV with irrelevant details. By focusing on clarity and relevance, you'll craft a CV that truly stands out. A visually appealing CV can make a strong first impression, capturing the recruiter's attention instantly. With CVMaker, you'll find expertly designed templates to help you stand out effortlessly. Explore your options, link in the description. Good luck!